Have you ever started yawning just because someone else yawned? You might even yawn after watching this. It's called contagious yawning. Scientists think it may be linked to empathy and how our brains connect with other people. When we see someone yawn, our brain automatically mirrors that action, making us more likely to yawn too. But the exact reason is still being studied. Did you yawn while watching this? Be honest in the comments and follow for more everyday psychology facts.